Guys, we're taking a look today at the Camcamp SC23 4-pack wireless security camera system, and let me tell you, this isn't your average set of cameras. With a powerful base station and a whopping 500 gigabytes of internal storage, this system is redefining home security as we know it. So stick around while we unbox and set this bad boy up and see whether this wireless and solar powered security system is worthy of protecting your property. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the SC23 wireless solar powered security system from Camcamp. Now, if you don't know Camcamp, well, they make a ton of different security systems to protect your home. Now, before we get into it, Camcamp sent me this SC23 wireless security system to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. And also, guys, let me tell you, they also sent me this rather fetching t-shirt. So anyway, let's open up the box and see what we have. First off, guys, open up the box and we've got a ton of stuff here. This camera system comes as a 2-camera system and a 4-camera system. So yeah, in the box, there's pretty much 4 lots of everything. You have metal mounting brackets, you've got wall fixings, you've got USB-C cables for charging the cameras. You also have some solar panels to keep those cameras charged, which is going to save you the hassle of taking them down all the time to charge them. I've got some Netgear Arlo cameras, which are very expensive. However, they cost me a fortune every few months in batteries. And yeah, I know, you could buy rechargeables, but you know what? You still got to get up a ladder to get them down and charge them up or change the batteries or whatever. So you know what, guys? These solar panels are a definite plus point. You also get mounting brackets for the solar panels, which enable you to twist and rotate them, so you can always make sure that those panels are in the best position to soak up all of that sun. And then, guys, you get the cameras, and I've got to say, they feel pretty solid in the hand. Then, guys, you have the NVR, or network video recorder. Now, this is actually the heart of the system. It's where all of your footage gets stored. You also get an HDMI cable to plug the NVR into a TV or monitor, and you get a USB mouse for navigating the management interface, and a power adapter, of course, to juice it all up. And guys, you also get that RJ45 cable so you can connect your NVR to your hub or router. Now, you don't necessarily need this, as you know what, the whole system is wireless. But if you're close enough to connect the NVR to your router, then you know what, a wired connection is always preferable. And lastly, guys, we've got a quick guide and a user manual with QR codes for the mobile apps. Now, guys, taking a closer look at the camera, and like I said, this feels solid on the hand. On the front, we've got the camera lens, we've got the PIR sensor, we've got dual source lights for night vision, we've also got a light sensor so it knows when it's dark outside, and a tiny microphone. And on the sides, guys, you've got these adjustable antennas for optimal signal strength. And do you know what? I like that these are kind of quite subtle, because unlike most, well, they tend to stick up all over the place, right? So I do like the look of these. And on the bottom, guys, there's a reset button, and at the back, you've got the speaker and the power button and the USB-C port, which you can either plug into the mains to charge, or you're more likely going to plug in the solar panels so you've got that constant charge. Now, guys, onto the mini NVR. And you know what? This is slim and light and stands vertically. I mean, to be honest, I would have preferred this to have been a little bit heavier, as when it's got all the cables plugged in, it does tend to move around a bit if your cables are a little bit tight. It kind of like tends to pull on it. But you know what? it's not a problem. If you've got plenty of slack on your cables, then it's no problem whatsoever. On the front, you've got all of your indicator lights, and there are ventilation holes on the sides. On the top here, you've got a small sync button, and on the back, you've got all of those ports for USB, HDMI, RJ45. You've got a reset button and a micro SD card slot. But guys, I'm going to use my best French here. The pièce de résistance is, if I open this little panel, there you have the whopping 500 gigabyte hard drive, which is where all of your recordings get stored. So you know what? No more subscription services or SD cards in cameras that could get easily stolen. Also, you can lock this NVR away, keeping your recordings safe. Now guys, setting up the Camcamp SC23 system was pretty straightforward. The first step was to plug in the base station and to connect it to the network, either wired or wireless. The base station acts, like I said, as a hub for all 4 cameras, ensuring a stable and centralized connection. I mean, I actually believe that you can add more cameras. I think you can have a total of 10, which, you know what, is pretty neat. Then guys, plug in the HDMI cable into the NVR and a monitor or TV so you can see all of your cameras. Then you can connect your USB mouse up and use this to manage and move around the interface. And you can also set up various camera features and look at your recordings and more. And I've got to say guys, the nice thing about this kind of setup is that you don't have to mess around with QR codes and scanning stuff. I mean, some of those cameras, you know, you've got to like do all of that, you know, you've got to point the QR code at the camera and try and get it set up and all the rest of it. You don't have to do that with this. You just turn on the NVR and it's going to recognize all of your cameras. So that, I tell you now, is an absolute time saver. Also guys, the SC23 has a mobile app available on both iOS and Android, which again, on other systems, it's a lot of messing around, scanning QR codes and all of that stuff. But you know what? This app guides you through the entire setup process, and pairing the cameras with the base station with the app, like I said, is still super quick. So you can start monitoring your property in just a few minutes. And guys, the Camcamp SC23 system is also packed with features designed to enhance your home security experience. Each camera records in full HD 1080p quality, providing clear and detailed video footage. The wide-angle lens captures a broad field of view, ensuring that no details are missed. You also get full control of that motorized pan and tilt capability. I mean, these SC23 cameras are equipped with infrared LEDs that offer excellent night vision capabilities. The cameras automatically switch to night mode in low light conditions, providing clear images up to 30 feet away and in complete darkness. And if you want the LEDs to switch on to give you a visual indicator that there is movement, you can do that. And it also allows you, when you do that, to capture color night vision. So I'll tell you, guys, the features are built into this thing. They really are good. The built-in microphone and speaker also allows for two-way conversation, and you can listen to what's happening on your property and speak to visitors or intruders directly through the app. The motion detection feature is highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the sensitivity to reduce false alarms when motion is detected. The system sends instant alerts to your smartphone, keeping you informed of any activity. And guys, whether you're at home through your TV or monitor or away from home using the app, you can access live footage from all of your cameras simultaneously. The app also allows you to review recorded footage, making it easy to check past events or incidents. So guys, there you have it. The Camcamp SC23 system delivers reliable and high quality security coverage. The 1080p video quality is sharp and clear, capturing details like faces, registration plates, whatever, effectively during the day. Night vision performance is also good, with clear images in either color or black and white, even in complete darkness. The motion detection works well, sending timely alerts to your phone whenever motion is detected. The adjustable sensitivity helps in reducing false alarms, which is particularly useful in areas with frequent movement near trees or busy streets or whatever. And the two-way audio feature is clear with minimal lag, making it easy to communicate with anyone on your property. This is useful for scaring off potential intruders or simply speaking to delivery drivers. The system's connectivity is stable, with the base station providing a strong link between the cameras and your Wi-Fi network. There's no real lag when streaming live footage, and recorded videos play smoothly without interruption. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab yourself this 4-camera system with the NVR and 500 gigabytes of storage for only £289.99. I mean, this is a complete steal, if you pardon the pun. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any other further discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Camcamp for sending me this very capable wireless security system to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.